Today we're going to be replacing the door cards in my 981 Cayman S, although what I'm about to show you works across the whole 981 and 991 lineup, and we'll go from this to that. And yes, you heard it right, 981 and 991 door cards are interchangeable. Essentially, they're the same thing. And actually, 981 cars carry a 991 part number for the door cards. And actually, the door cards that I purchased were from my 991 GT3. So they'll definitely fit. And I know they'll fit because I already did the other side, so I know what to expect. And I can make this video more informative and easier for you and me to follow. And these are the door cards in question. These are the old ones that I've already replaced, and these are the new used ones that I purchased. And as you can see, the main difference is that the old ones are pretty much blank. They're made out of plastic, whereas the new ones are made out of leather, Alcantara, and there's some carbon fiber trim up top. And what's cool about the new ones is, well, I'm going to start with the old ones. The old ones were starting to delaminate, whereas the new ones are squeaky fresh and there are no signs of delamination. And the best thing is, these are the 4 tools you need to get the job done. A 10mm wrench to disconnect the battery because there's an airbag located in the door and you definitely want to disconnect the battery. 2 pieces of trim removal tools, as well as this T30 Torx screwdriver. And the idea is simple. We're going to take some trim pieces off the door, unscrew it, lift it up, away, disconnect some plugs, and that is it. First one is this triangle. You basically get your trim tool and you want to push up. You don't want to pry out, you want to push up and it'll dislodge itself. You can either leave it here because it's connected to this, or you can pull it out. I just like to pull it out. This is what it looks like. Next, you pop this whole trim and it comes out as one piece. This tool comes in very handy because you can just go behind and wiggle it, see, and it just pops out. Then under this door handle, you've got this trim piece, and that's fairly straightforward. You pop it out and it usually comes out. This is kind of tricky. You basically have to push it out and it comes out. And last but not least, this trim piece, which I actually tried fixing myself. Obviously the fix didn't work. Now with all the trim pieces exposed, you've got 1, 2, 3, and 4 T30 screws to remove. With all the screws removed, you stick your knee under and you push the whole door card out, and it should dislodge it from the bottom clips. See? Oops, okay. And it simply tucks away. Now, there are 2 plugs you need to disconnect. The first one is this door handle plug, and the way this works is you take it, you spread its legs. It's kind of hard to see. I hope the camera can pick it up. Spread its legs, and it slides out. And then you remove it from the actual latch, and that's it. And then you have this airbag plug over here, and again, it's super simple. You press a button, and this lever comes out, and allows you to remove this whole piece. You see? It comes out in one piece, and the door card is out. So this is the old, this is the new. The new obviously has this trim. It's easier to pop it out when you have it over here, so you can actually help it from the back. Same thing with this one on the side. Pops right out, and we can actually install it. But before we do, check out the back. So this is what I was talking about. You see, these are all the part numbers here. And as you can see right over here, 991, that 55, that 401. So this is a 991 part number that's going in a 981. Installation is super simple. Check this out. You see you've got these 1, 2 hooks, and you've got this 1, 2. So this is what you're hanging the door cards on. There's a third one in here that is not, actually no, sorry. There's a third one in here that's right here in the middle. So you've got these 3 hooks that you need to hook the door on. But first, you want to connect the airbag plug. Then we're going to put the door line in. And now with everything connected, let's align these clips, or these hangers. There's one, there's two. You basically align them and push, and they should be jumping in. And now they're aligned, and now you basically push it down. Oops, nope. There we go. Nice and easy. And all that's left is reattaching the screws. So again, we got this one here. Next, we're gonna take this beautiful trim and slap it in place. Same thing with the door handle trim. The top trim over here. And last but not least, the end trim. And see, this is how simple it is. Now, I'm not going to talk about the fact that my trim doesn't match with the inner trim here. I am going to address that in one of the upcoming videos, but I am going to talk about the fact that this red stitching here matches the red stitching that I have inside and throughout the car. So I'm building this car to be some sort of a GT3 or maybe a GTS homage car. But before we get there, we have some cleaning to do. Obviously, this being a used piece, it's showing some signs of not necessarily wear, but dirt. So I'm gonna take my trusted leather cleaner. I'm gonna link in the description for you. This is a fantastic cleaner. It comes as a kit. It comes as a cleaner as well as a conditioner. So first, I'm gonna hit it up with this cleaner, let it dry overnight, and tomorrow I'm gonna hit it with a conditioner, and it's really going to rejuvenate the leather. I use this product in all of my cars that have leather inside, and this product works wonders, and it doesn't leave a shine. It leaves a nice flat finish on the surface. So yeah, and check this out. You see? This is what this product picked up. And for the Alcantara, I do use this Sonax product, which is awesome. Essentially, I'm not afraid to go crazy because it actually absorbs very well. You let it sit, and then you take a toothbrush and you scrub along, scrub along, scrub along. And then after you scrub it, you wipe it with a microfiber towel, and it's gonna make a huge difference. There's also a special brush that you could use. I have it. I'm just too lazy to grab it now, but I'm also going to link it in the description for you. And now for the moment of truth, to show you how well this product works, check this out. Clean rag. You kind of gently want to wipe it, gently tap it. See? Not bad at all. Let's see this section here. See? We completely rejuvenated this leather and Alcantara, and it looks virtually brand new. I kid you not. And these are the accents I was talking about. You've got the steering wheel, you've got the Sport Chrono, you've got the shifter, you also have the deviated stitching on the seat, and now we've got this awesome looking door card, which looks absolutely fantastic. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. The last step is to reconnect the battery, close everything up here, and enjoy your refreshed interior. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll answer every single one of them. But this goes to show you how easy of an install and upgrade this is. So if you can find a used set of good door cards, do it. It's an easy swap, and it's gonna refresh the look of your interior quite a lot. I absolutely love it. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video, I hope. Bye-bye.